Hello students, I am Professor Namrata Hampihori from Department of Commerce and Accountancy. Welcome you all for today's class. So in our yesterday's class, we have seen the issue of shares, that is how the shares are provided to the investors, wherein after seeing all the types, we were left out with the last one, that is book building. So in today's class, let us see what is exactly the book building and how the process of book building will take place. So here, as we know that the company, if it wants to raise the fund, that is if it wants the fund or the finance, it has two sources. That is, one is internally it can generate its fund, or else from external sources. So here there are two most popular ways of raising the funds, that is through the issue of shares, but in that we have IPO, that is initial public offering, and follow on public offers. So what is IPO? That is, we have seen already in the previous session. Now we are coming to what is this exactly the book building. So during this IPO or FPO, the company offer its share to the public. So when it is offering the shares to the public, it will have one certain particular price, correct? That is, the share of this particular company is 100 rupees or 150 or 200 or 300, right? So here there are two methods when it makes available to the general public. One is here to the fixed price, or it will offer fixed prices wherein the company will fix one particular price, that is the price of this company is 300. So this is fixed when it offers to the public. And there is one more way wherein it offers the range, so that the investor decide the price by which they want to purchase. This method of offering the range is called here as a book building. So, what is the advantage of this method here is they provide, or it gives an opportunity for the market to discover the price of the security which they can offer on. Now here range of the price, we can say that now suppose for example the company is providing the range between 300 to 390. Okay, let us take that 350 to 390. This is a price range wherein the company provides the shares. So here, by providing the range of the shares, the company is giving the option of bid, or also called as an auction, right? So wherein what we do in the auction, that a particular price will be stated, we will give one range wherein the investor will decide the range wherein they want to invest, wherein they want to purchase the share or they want to invest the money here. So here when they are fixing the price, there is a range, right? As we have, like, let us take an example that one company is offering its shares for like a range between 350 to 390. So there are this range, that is 350 to 390 is a range. So this first price, which is called as like 350, this is called as a floor price, that is minimum price. Okay, so this quoting of the minimum price is called as a floor price. And this maximum price, what is with 390, this is a highest price, wherein it is called as a cap price, or also called as a ceiling price, we can say. That is, it is a maximum amount or the maximum price quoted for the share. So this is a higher end price, and 350 is a lower end price, which we called as the cap price or the ceiling price. So the company offered this, so the investor, at whichever rate they want to purchase, they will subscribe for that. That is, they will send or you can say that they will quote their price at which they want to purchase the shares. So here this is also called as price band. Okay, so price band wherein the company will decide the range, wherein you have a lower level, that is lower price, and a higher price. So there are certain important points before we look into this book building. So during the issue, So what here the issuer, that is the company, whoever is issuing this book building process, or whoever is issuing this shares, is will nominate one person who is a merchant banker. So they are called as here book runners. So these are the person who offer, that is company directly doesn't offer it to the public. They will first nominate, or they will first appoint the merchant bankers, and then this merchant banker will further proceed to the general public. So these are called as a book runners. So the issuer specifies the number of security to be issued and the price band for the bids. So here now suppose the company wants to issue 500 share, then that will be specified, or that will be intimated to the merchant banker, and the price is also fixed by the company here. So the price band means what here, the range, as we have taken example 390 to 350, for which the bidding will go on. So here even they indicate, they even issue the appoint the syndicate members with whom orders are to be placed by the investors. Okay. Then here syndicate member, they put the orders into the electronic book. This process is the called as a bidding, and the similar it is to the similar to the open auction. So that is whenever the investor want to purchase the share. Now suppose the range of the bidding is here starts from 350 and it will end at 390. So the investor can purchase like he, if he want to purchase at 380, then they will place a order by 380. Similarly, from 350 to 390, whoever want to purchase, like at what price, that will be recorded here by the syndicate member in the electronic book, and upon this they will finally select what price to be selected. And this normally this remain opens for the 5 days. That is, this bidding will be like, this range will be open for 5 days. Within 5 days they have to subscribe the number of shares they want to purchase. Then bids have to be entered with a specified price band, that is whatever price band they have, like they have to specify that price, that is 350 to 390, they have to specify that. Then here the cap price, that is the highest price, shall be more than the 20% of the floor price. Now as we have taken like suppose for example 120%, that is if the price is 100, then 20% on that will be 120, that is the range should be within 100 to 120. So it can't be more than that. So as we have taken the example of 350 and 390, that the floor price more than 20% should be the cap price. The range should be within this limit, that shouldn't exceed 20%. Then when all the bids are received and the final price is decided, those who have bid the final price or above get the allotment, and other would get refund. So once if they finalize what should be the point, or what should be the price, then they will take that price. Whoever have demanded the shares of that particular range will be taken into consideration, and they will get the allotment here. And those who have subscribed more less than the price whatever the demand is, they will get the refund. Now suppose for example in our 350 to 390 range shares, where there are more demand for the shares of 385, so the company finalized that price of 385, then whoever have demanded it for 360 or 350 will get the refund. So this is the process how it will take place here. Then here whenever all the bids are received, just a minute, yes, so here whenever all the bids are received, then the final price is decided. So remaining will after finalizing, the amount will be refunded back to the investors who are whose amount is less than the demanded price. Then after that they are required, however they are required here to pay the money at the bid stage itself. So whenever they bid here, they have to pay the amount here. So the remaining amount shall be again refunded here. Then now let us see the process of book building. So how the process will go on. So here the company appoints first the merchant banker to act as a book runner. So he will be the person who will be communicating to the investors. He is also called as a book running lead manager. Then they invite this book runners will invite the institutionals or the investors like commercial bank and mutual funds and insurance companies. That is, whoever wants to come and invest in their company can come and subscribe for their shares. Then here the book runner will record the bid received in the separate book. That is what we have seen, that a syndicate member will record, that is how much bid is received. This step is called here as a book building. So they record how many investors have recorded, or you can how many investors have come up with what price. Then on the basis of these bids, the best price is selected by the company here. So here they will see the demand for what amount. So by this we can even come to the conclusion that uh, at what position your company is. Like if they are offering you a highest price, that indicates that if that is if the investors want to purchase your shares by giving the more amount, then that will specify, that will indicate how well your company is doing in the market. That is how they are eagerly waiting to purchase the shares of your company here. So in the case of price determinant is too low, the company can even postpone or cancel the issue. That is here, if the company is receiving very less amount for the shares, that is the starting range is from 350 to 390. If it is receiving all the shares for 390 only, then the price will be of too low. If it is there is not more demand for the shares, then in that case that may even postpone of purchasing the shares, sorry, of issuing the shares, or it may even cancel also here. So here, in the determination of the prices is based on the functioning of the market forces of demand and supply. That is how they fix the price here. That in our example we have seen, that is they have given the range of 350 to 390. On what basis do they select this 350 to 390? That is completely on the market functioning. That is forces of demand and supply. What is the demand for the shares of your company? Now let us take that example of the Reliance, right? Like if we want to come if we want to invest in the communication line, that is Reliance Geo, if you want to purchase the shares of in this sector, we know that it is like recently trending one, right? That is demand for that particular Geo network is high. So on basis of that demand and how much they can supply, on that basis they will fix the price here. So the supply is here the number of shares the company is issuing. So here supply means what? Here the number of shares which it is issuing, and the demand here is obtained by the bid received. Then what is the demand here? The bid which has received in this book building process. So here the investors can offer the single or multiple bids. That it depends on the investor. That is if they are demanding, or if they are means they are offered here single or the multiple bids. So here they can be offered, they that is the investor can be offered to buy the different number of shares at the different prices. So here the total number of the shares demanded at the every price is calculated, and the highest price at which the issue is fully subscribed will be selected. So the highest price where the investors have issued, the investor have subscribed, that price will be selected and that will be finalized, and on that share and on that price the shares will be issued to the investors. So I hope you are clear with this book building process. So summarizing this book building process, it is simple. That is, the company is giving a range of a price wherein the investor have to purchase the shares. So they will give like in between 100 to 120. It is a share. It is the price of our shares. You all tell me at what price you are ready to purchase the shares. Obviously, like if the company is doing very good, the investor will come up with purchasing at a higher price. Why? Because they will be expecting the good return in the future. So the investors, at what price are they ready to purchase the shares of our company is recorded here. That is what we call here as a book building here. Then after analyzing this demand and supply, that is how much supply these, how much supply the company is making here, that is how much shares it can issue, is a supply here, analyzing that. And afterwards, what is the demand from the investor side, comparing that, they will select the best highest price, and with that highest price they will issue the shares. And whoever have demanded like for the lower part, they will be refunded with that particular amount. So I hope you are clear with this building book building process.